Surprise your dad with this fofucha personalized Father's Day gift created with your own hand. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. In this video, I am going to show you how to make fofucha with foamy for your loving father with little bit of your imaginations. So, let's get started. But my friends, if you're new here, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so when I upload a new video, you are the first one to know. Give this video a big thumbs up and please do watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything. So, are you ready? For this you will need You may be the apple of his eye, but this gift for Dad will put a sparkle in his eye. I'm sure you will make his day awesome by creating this fofucha gift with little bit of your imaginations. Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you make, please share with me on any of my social media with hashtag Sangeeta's Creations. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your family and friends. Thank you so much for your support and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.